Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to prepare your project report within 30 minutes using chatgpt. So let us go on to the today video. So I am going to click chatgpt. So the main thing in preparing your project report is that you have to make the outline of the project, that is content of the project, structure of the project. So I am going to make the structure of the project using chatgpt. So in this I am going to give a title PV fed electric vehicle charging station. So now I am going to type in chatgpt thus, please provide outline of project report on PV fed electric vehicle charging station. Just click on this. So now you are getting the outline of your project report, that is introduction, literature survey, methodology, results, discussions, and then conclusion, summary of the study, references and appendices. So this is how you can generate your outline of your project report. What you want to do is just copy that thing and you can paste in your Word file, so and make your chapters. So chapter 1 introduction, so 1.1 background and motivation of a project. Just I am giving an example like how you can make a project report very easily, like that 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. so like that you have to make chapters, so and you copy that in your Word file. So next step is that what you have to do is you have to need the detailed explanation of a particular chapters. So for that I am going to do explain in detail the following topics. So I am going to copy that, just I am going to paste. So this is how the content is generated, that is for a individual subheading of your chapters. So for that background information on the need of electric vehicle charging station, you will get a content. So thereby you can use that content in your chapters. Just you can just copy and paste in your project report. So this is how you can develop your project report easily using chatgpt. So next one is that, second one is that literature's review. So here also you can do the same. So in literature review in literature review you want at least some papers which can be discussed about your topic, that is PV fed electric vehicle charging stations. So for that I am going to give, so please provide recent research articles in PV fed electric vehicle charging station. So just click on that. So you will get different papers related with your work, that is your project work. So for example, this is the first paper I am received from chatgpt, that is design and analysis of PV fed DC fast charger of electric vehicles. So that is a paper published on 2021. So in order to need the detailed summary of the paper, as you want to explain that in literature survey, so just you want to just copy that, summarize the following paper. Oh, sorry. So it take that last paper. So it is summarized. This paper presents a review of the performance evaluation of a solar photovoltaic power. That is the last paper we have. This one, performance evaluation of solar voltaics powered electric vehicle charging station. So thereby you can make use this literature survey part, and then you can copy that and you can paste in your project report. So this is how you can able to develop your project report easily using chatgpt. So then we can move on our next part, that is methodology. So in that methodology also we can do the same, the description of PV system components, selection of electric vehicle. When you give, please explain the following following topic, means it will give a detailed results. So coming to the result part, so you will be doing some simulation work or some hardware work. You will be having results in your hand. You are having the picture of the research, and you can also make some comparative tables regarding your projects and project results. So for that you can convert the tables you made with the results also to a paragraphic content. For example, I am going to use this random table. So this is table related with PID control parameters for different types of errors. For different types of errors, the different types of values are given. That is the gain value in PID controller, probably Kp, Ki, Kd, overshoot, rise time, peak time and settling time. So for that I am going to make a summarization of the table and also make a comparative analysis of the table. Just copy this table, summarize the above table. Just give summarize the above table and click enter. So you will get summarized content of the table. That is, the table shows the performance of the proportional integral control system with different types of errors. Like that it will be giving a paragraph. So you can easily summarize the tables also using this chatgpt. Already we have made a video, detailed video on how to summarize the tables, the theoretical content tables and also the tables having the values. So here you can take this content and you check at once for your values whether it is given correctly or not, whether the output of this is made correctly or not. That is the values mentioned in this paragraphic content is correct or not. So like that you can make very easily your project report and complete your project report within 30 minutes. Just you have to copy and paste and go for a review. If you need the content without this content may contain plagiarism. I am not telling that this content is without plagiarism. This content may contain plagiarism. So for that you can use Quillboard for paraphrasing. So already we have made videos how to paraphrase the content using Quillboard, and then you can go for a grammatical check and then you can use this in your project report. So this is how you can make use of this ChatGPT to complete your project report very easily within 30 minutes. Hope this content is very useful for the students. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Do subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.